What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are keeping safe and sane during these crazy times. If you, like me, you've been cooped up inside for far too long, playing way too much Call of Duty. So today we got the opportunity to go outside and do some work on the car. So we're gonna work in the engine bay today. Unfortunately, no power mods right now. That'll come soon. But for now, I got some goodies from Perrin, and let's take a look. Here it is. Here's the finish. Hopefully the camera will pick that up good. It is a wrinkle finish. It's not smooth, but I like it. And it's dirty. Come on, camera, focus. There it is. Pretty cool. Perrin insignia. It's a really nice piece. There's the other one. Pretty cool. Alright, so these are Fender Shrouds. Let's see what else we got. Now, I actually ordered these probably a while ago and just completely forgot that they were here. So finally getting around to it, and I honestly don't remember what else I got. Ooh, I love it when companies give you extra stuff. Got us also a license plate cover and some hardware. That's pretty cool. Radiator Shroud. It looks like 3 pieces, some assembly required. Not an issue. This is a pretty straightforward install anyway. Anything else? Nothing else. Alright. I don't see hardware, so it looks like we're going to reuse the factory hardware from the factory shroud. No biggie, but when we get outside, we'll figure that part out. Okay. That's this box. Let's see what's in the big guy. The main piece. Alright, so this is the pulley cover, alternator cover, whatever cover you want to call it. This is the front, and because I have the FA20, there's a second piece. Here it is. This is the portion that covers up, well, not covers up, it goes over the intercooler, and then this piece sits right here. I wasn't sure about that second piece, but I figured, hey, why not get it? If I don't like it, I can always remove it and just keep this one, but I think it'll look pretty cool. What else is in here? I must say, the package are pretty good, so it doesn't scratch in shipping. Alright, got another one. Sweet. And here's the hardware. Some spacers. I wonder what that's for. We'll figure it out. What else is in here? Here's the bracket. Yeah, it is the bracket that's going to connect the 2 pieces together. And is that it? Ooh. As you can tell, I did get this off of Subi Speed. And I like their air fresheners. It smells nice. Cool. So, enough of this. Let's just jump into it. Let's get outside and start doing some installs. Alright guys, so as you can see, I apologize for the wind, it's pretty windy today. But as you can see, the engine bay is pretty dirty, and I was just driving the car, so I'm going to let it cool down a bit before we do the radiator shroud. I figure we'll start with the Fender Shrouds, as these are the easiest things, and then we'll do the engine cover while this cools down, because you do have to take the cap off, and do not ever open this when you just drove the car. If the car is hot and you turn this, it will explode and you will burn your hand severely. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so to remove Fender Shroud, it's pretty simple. You have one tab here and another one here. Just take a flat, pry it out. There you go, it's out. Pretty simple. It's good. The other side off. Now, we're not going to reuse these, as they do give you screws, so just keep these anyway. What it looks like in the sunlight. Perrin does a great job of giving you full instructions on what to do. They also give you, I thought this was a bracket, but it turns out it's just a well nut tool to, instead of using those clips, you'll be able to use this. So let's go ahead and get this in started. So what you're going to do is just put a little bit of grease on this M5 bolt. Alright, and get a washer, put that through, put this here, and then the rib nut. Okay, and then we're going to go to the car. Now, you're going to put this in and then just tighten it until it gets tight. Make sure it's flat against the metal. Okay. Now once you feel it's pretty snug on there, you just slacken this, take the screw out, and your rib nut should be installed. There you go, the rib nut's in. Alright, now we're going to do this one. Again, another rib nut, put it in, and then just tighten it. Bingo. Let's take this out. Okay, so now that we got the rib nuts on, just take your fender, work your way around the shock. There we go. And wow, fitment is on point. Now you take bolts and a washer. That's it. Just be careful not to drop the bolts in, or you'll be fishing for these things for a while. Now, they do give you some place so you can bring it all the way up or all the way down, however you like. I think for me, right there, it's going to do the job. Alright guys, so there we go. We have one side on. Now later on I could probably change up this and put some dress-up bolts to make it look a little nicer, but that looks pretty damn good if I must say so myself. Alright, now let's do the same to this side. So we got our rib nuts on, same thing. Just work this in, find the right angle. There we go. And you just line it up to where you want it. And put the screws in. Screw that in, then we get this guy up here too. Okay, so once we have this lined up to how we want it, we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Perrin makes this very easy. They pretty much give you the tools you need and all the necessary hardware. Alright, we got our Fender Shrouds in.